JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. We're broadcasting live from the National Hardware Show. And anything and everything you need LED, whether it's lanterns, flashing lights, desk lamps, lights that hang on your tool belt, outdoor lighting, security lighting. They have it here. We just left the Indian contingency. They had a bunch of booths. They're growing every single year. China had 5 or 6 rows. Now this is the fan I need at my house. I don't know if you can hear it on the microphone. Blow, baby, blow. And this is the new bidet. And we'll see if we can show you the inside. That is too funny. I'll show you again. Now that's marketing. You got to take one of these because that's too funny. Poopy-doo. So what else do I want to show you? We're over in the smart home area now. Smart keys, smart lights. Deep tissue.
Then you loosen up all these pieces.
Massage, storage and closets. Let's see what else. UST brands, which is all sorts of outdoor lighting. Great toilet squeegees, and also for better than a natural plumber. And as you can see, the one that reaches under the rim, which is much better. And it, well, I don't need to describe that.
It's a cool
next door they have the bidets, and inside the bidet is filled with this. I go, that's marketing. We're broadcasting live around the world, so I'll give you a good plug. And this is a lot better than the way we used to do it. And as you can see it's a lot quicker and a lot easier to do. The old plunging method really doesn't work, and this particular way of doing it is much better because it gets under the ring. Throw out your old toilet brush. So this is by Better Living. Okay, make sure you see that. Thanks.
Now, it would be better by the person.
Let's see. We got LED torch lamps. You should come here and see Next Torch. They have all sorts of products. Oh, that's kind of nice. Pen style. All sorts of flashlights. I like the pens, they're different.
Yeah, it's different shape. This one is designed for lady, and this one is for gentlemen. And both come with the gas breaker right here. This one is tungsten steel. Yeah, also go with the Fisher Space Pen right here.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you're doing the Facebook Live? Or?
Yeah, around the world.
Wow. Cool.
Great products. Make sure you check out all their products.
Yeah.
The pens are amazing. But then again, anything LED is amazing. Thank you. Water-filled humidifier. That's the way to go. Cleans 10 times better. If you take a look at the one here on the bottom left, we have those in each one of our bedrooms. It's great for your skin. Oh, it's Maryland.
Feel it, wash with cold water, try it.
Great advertising.
Cable organizer. Does very well for us because it's stupid.
Wireless finder.
So just stick, you put it anywhere, you get it in the car, in the kitchen, anywhere. It's very nice. Everybody have cables. So
Broadcasting live around the world. Keep going.
Okay. So that's very cool. Another item that's doing very well for us is the portable charger that fix the iPhone and the Android. It's also rechargeable. So just basically just plug and charge what it's plugged in. So it's
That's a
very cool.
great product.
Thank you. So that's very cool.
So they love having love handles and also the wireless finding for your keys. These are two products that you really should look at. And it's on their website. You even have selfie sticks. And these little Miele fans are outstanding. Just use them all the time. And waterproof case. Whenever I'm anywhere near water, I have one of their cases and I stick it in there. It always helps. Let's just show you. I want to show you latest and greatest technology. We also have model car replicas. Also microphones. Look at that. It looks like it's a karaoke phone all in one. That's amazing. So make sure you find out all these things. Squishy balls, which we know, back scratcher. That is funny. You're the star. It's an all-in-one karaoke machine with a microphone. Ha! So I want to invite everybody to come over here and watch all the things they have available. I'm going to send it back to you in the studio. We'll show you some more in just a minute. It's JT Ippolito for Sync Media Network. Take it back, Eileen.